What's happening, boys? We are back. Last night we took a win on London session for us30, so I'm going to go over that really quick, boys. Here is the live trade right here. Come on. Just because I want to be conservative, you never know nowadays with this news. Well, this week has been sketchy as. So see if we can get a nice push. Bang! Let's go, boys. Take profit, smash. Let's go. And it's gonna push up either way anyway. So yeah, very nice trade, boys. As you guys can see, we came back after all those break evens. The last 4 trades have been break even trades. So we are back and we caught another W. I told you guys I would come back, and here we are. We've done it again, and then boom, it's shooting to the skies. So very nice work. Proud of how we played. As you guys can see, not too bad of a trade at all. I'm going to go over why I took it. So we came into the market. We were not taking any longs for NASDAQ. As you guys can see, we were at all-time high at the time. And as you guys know, we do not trade into all-time highs because there's nothing to grab. So if we can see over here, we had this top level, which I was pretty happy with, and we had this little bottom level here as well, which I was pretty happy with as well. So market opened right here, worked out the top level, came down, worked out the bottom level, sweeping all this liquidity, and then we had a massive push up. So you guys can't actually see, but we did have a retrace. Let me jump on the 1 minute, maybe we'll be able to. Yeah, so we had a massive push up, we already swept liquidity, we had a little pullback, and then a second push. And this was enough for me, even though it wasn't a massive retracement, but this was enough for me because we had extra momentum, we pushed above this high, we swept liquidity, and we already on market open worked out this level anyway. So this nice big pullback was enough for me to get in the trade. Simple as that, boys. Quickly, where did it go? Is it here? Wait. Oh, there it is. I was like, hey, that's the trade we took. No, that's the trade. That was the other day's trade. But yeah, easy as that, boys. Easy as that. Honestly, there's not much to it. This is our, normal level strategy. Worked out both sides and then a push. When it does this, when it gives a push up here and a push down there, you can really just enter once it has a nice push past the point that it already pushed to. But we waited a little bit longer for it to push past here, because if there's something a little bit above the level, you're going to wait for a push past there as well. We had a nice push, another push, and we entered. We actually tried to enter right here on the prop firm account, but then it asked me if I want to confirm my entry. So we couldn't get right there, unfortunately. We could not get right there. Price already pushed up. I'm like, okay, I'm not going to FOMO in and enter here because that's a really bad fill. So it came down, retraced, and I was like, alright, bet. I entered right here on the retrace, boys. On the lowest point, I was like, okay, it's not going to go all the way here. It was showing signs that it was holding here, so I entered here, basically the same point that I already entered. Well, I was trying to enter previously, and then went all the way up to take profit. Take profit, there was this level here that I was looking at, but recently, if you guys haven't watched the trade recaps recently, go check them out. We've been getting really close to take profit, and then it's been completely reversing and hitting us at break even. So with this very nice trade, took out a little bit earlier, which is cool. Still at 1.75. We aim for around 1.5 to 2.5 restore ratio. So very nice trade, and I'll show you guys right here. Broker statements or whatever here. So 50k account. We are now at 50,375. We made 340 last night. So yeah, this week has actually been really good. We haven't took any losses. We haven't really been trading New York session though this week. We've just been sticking with London session, just because I've been getting a little bit extra rest. Letting it play out a little bit better. It's fine. You guys have to understand it is fine to take a little bit of rest on the sessions, but also study the session anyway, even if you didn't trade it. The possibilities of entering, what happened, any fake outs, all of that good stuff. So this is the P&L, boys. The P&L is actually looking great this week. No losses so far, but we had 4 break-even trades. Not going to lie, should have been a win on Wednesday. It is what it is. 1.25 pips away from take profit. Then we went break even, and I jumped into another trade thinking my psychology wasn't right, so I pulled out the trade, and then we went right to my take profit. It's all good. It is what it is. But yeah, so we're up just 3 wins on the week, and then 4 break even. So we still got. I can't actually trade London session because I'm working tonight, boys. And yes, I still work a job. That's how I'm gonna fund this motherfucker. And yeah, so hopefully we can get a win on New York session. And yeah, that's about it, boys. And I hope you enjoyed. And we'll be on for New York session. I'll see you guys then. Cheers.